How to download and install apps on Chromebook. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how or where you can download applications that you want to have to use, even if it's for gaming or for productivity on your Chromebook operating system. It's very simple. So at the very first glance of your Chromebook, if you just recently set it up, you should be able to see Play Store in one of your taskbar. But if it's not around there, then you can go into the lower left portion, which is the circle icon. Once you click that, you will have where you will see a lot of results. All I have to do again is to locate Play Store. Now, once you access Google Play or Google Play Store, if you haven't logged in, then you will not land on this kind of page. You're just gonna need to log in using your Google Mail account. Now, Google Play Store is actually working like downloading an application on your Android device. Once you fully access it, then you can use the search box to search for apps and games. And that's it. That is how you download and install apps on Chromebook.